Now we're going to talk about pattern matching in Elixir. Pattern matching is a powerful concept in Elixir that allows us to extract and match values, destructure data structures, and make our code more expressive. Let's start by exploring how to match literal values in Elixir. In Elixir, we can use the case statement for pattern matching. In this example, we have a variable fruit with the value apple. We use the case statement to match the value of fruit against different patterns. If fruit matches the literal value apple, we print it's an apple using the ioputs1 function. Similarly, if fruit matches the literal value orange, we print it's an orange. If none of the previous patterns match, we use the underscore as a catch-all pattern and print it's something else. Now let's explore how to match tuples in Elixir. Let's go ahead and print that out first. Alright, now let's go ahead and explore how to match tuples. In Elixir, we can use matching to destructure tuples and extract their elements. In this example, we have a tuple named person with values name, Alice, and 25. We use the case statement to match the structure of person against different patterns. If person matches the pattern name, name, age, we extract the values name and age from the tuple. We then print the extracted values using string interpolation. If person doesn't match the expected pattern, we print unknown person. Lastly, let's explore how to match lists in Elixir. In Elixir, we can use pattern matching to destructure lists and extract their elements. In this example, we have a list named numbers with 1, 2, and 3. We use the case statement to match the structure of numbers against different patterns. If numbers matches the pattern 1, 2, we print the list starts with 1 and 2. If numbers matches the pattern head, tail, we extract the first element head and the remaining elements tail. We then print that the list starts with head and has additional elements. If numbers is an empty list, we print the list is empty.